More than 50 years after it was established, abortion was already illegal in multiple U.S. states, with bans introduced within hours of the landmark ruling in Roe v. Wade being overturned. Cities erupted in protest at the ruling, with many enacting abortion bans within hours of the decision being announced. According to a website affiliated with Planned Parenthood, as of 2017, it remains legal to travel out of state to get an abortion. Among the first states to outlaw almost all abortions was Utah, where, after the ruling, its abortion ban had already come into effect. Other states that have made similar moves are Texas, Missouri, and North Dakota. As of now, 24 states have abortion bans in place, with 2 more, Louisiana and Mississippi, expected to pass similar bans in the near future.
Today is it's not hyperbole to suggest a very solemn moment. Today, the Supreme Court of the United States expressly took away a constitutional right from the American people that it had already recognized. They didn't limit it, they simply took it away. That's never been done to a right so important to so many Americans, but they did it. It's a sad day for the court and for the country.
Ohio's heartbeat bill, which bans most abortions at the first detectable fetal heartbeat, went into effect in 2019. However, after the recent Supreme Court's announcement that a federal judge had agreed to remove a federal court injunction blocking the law, the state sought to have the entire ban reinstated.
It's the essential function of government to protect those who cannot protect themselves.
The law's ultimate fate is still to be determined, but as of now, it remains in effect. Alabama swiftly gave up abortions as its 2019 state abortion constraint worked, making it a criminal offense to execute an abortion at any kind of state of maternity, including for rape and also incest. The only exemption is for the mother's wellness.
Jesus loves the little children.
Anti-abortion activists view today's victory as merely a first step. They will now take their campaigns to every state which continues to allow terminations, trying to get abortion banned in the whole of the United States.
This statement from the Arkansas Department of Health news release declared that abortion services happening in the state would now be forbidden, as the law now only allows abortions in cases of protect mother's life. The statement indicated that abortion providers in the state would need to find other means of providing care for patients who were seeking abortions. The facilities were notified that, under new state law, terminating a pregnancy is now a criminal offense, punishable by up to 10 years in prison and a fine of up to $100,000.
None of us thought today would come in our lifetimes. Roe was wrong on that day, and it has been wrong every day since. I have a long history of fighting for the unborn. And that is why Arkansas is the most pro-life state in the United States of America. Because of my team's efforts to defend the great laws passed by the state of Arkansas and protect the innocent lives against the ACLU and Planned Parenthood and the likes of the radical left, we are prepared to immediately ban abortion in Arkansas with the overturn of Roe v. Wade.
West Virginia's only abortion clinic has closed due to a state law that criminalizes providing abortions. This will likely leave the state with no clear way to enforce the law after the U.S. Supreme Court ruled.
From routine harassment from protesters to constant political battles that target people's ability to access abortion care. But, we never lose sight of what our work is really about.
With the Supreme Court ruling, there were those who supported the decision, but many others as well showed their protest. Some medical practitioners and government leaders stood their ground on protecting the abortion rights, while others also are grateful that finally the right to life of the unborn is given importance.